Hello everyone, welcome to NGX. Today I am going to show how to install NGX's TP900 printer to my laptop and to give the print. First, let's insert this paper roll holder and the paper roll inside the printer. Once done, let's connect the power cord and the cable. Here I am connecting to the port. After this, I am using USB cable to connect my laptop to the printer. It's connected. Now I got the beep and the sensor. Now let's insert the CD to the laptop so that we can install the driver softwares. Let's check the CD contents. Here you can see .NET framework and the driver softwares. If you don't have a .NET framework above 4, you can install it from here. Since I already have it, I'm directly going with driver softwares. Click next. Keep the default settings as it is. Since I have connected USB, I am using this option. If you have connected LAN or USB and LAN, you can use these two options. Click next. Your printer has been connected successfully and it is ready to give the print. Okay. I hope I made you understand how to install POS Printer TP900 to my system and to give the print. Thank you.